if you want to use Notability to do a pre-recorded lesson, what you would need to have is the Loom app installed, which will mean it'll record your video and enable you to get a link to the video to share up on your Google Classroom. And then of course you need your Notability app. So what you would do is have your Notability app opened, open it up at the document that you want to go through, just so that it's ready. So here, for example, you could be going through a past paper question and recording yourself doing that and having all of your annotations. Alternatively, you might just want a blank page like this to talk down through. So you can change the title of your blank page up here just by tapping and then going in and changing to a new title. So I'm going to imagine that I'm using this past paper question and I'm going to talk through this question in my video. So I'll have this opened, good to go. And then I will go to my Loom app. To find an app quickly, remember, swipe down from the middle of your screen, type in the start of the name of the app and it'll quickly find it for you. So the Loom app is the one we want. When we open it up then, look down at the bottom and you'll see these three options. So screen allows you to do the screen recorder, just like the inbuilt screen recorder that you have in your iPad. Only, you know, that takes quite some time sometimes to upload into your Google Drive. So this will be much quicker. The camera then allows you to record using the camera, pointing at it. So say, for example, you had a page and a pen and you were working through that and you wanted to record it. Or maybe your department uses workbooks and you want to work down through the department workbook and have the camera facing on that to show you actually handwriting over something. You would use camera for that option. I just click camera so you can see. So this is me using my own phone camera to record this. So you would have to switch the camera view. So see that little icon there? So you toggle that to switch the camera to different angles. The videos then, this shows your library of all of the videos that you have already recorded. Now the advantage of this Loom app as well is that whenever you've made a video, you can scroll down here, you can go in and change the name of it, but it also shows you here how many times your video has been viewed. Now it doesn't tell you who's viewed it, but it'll tell you how many times, so at least you know your video's been looked at. And then this is the key here, it gives you a link that you can then share, so you don't have to wait for it to upload, and we know that takes so long to do. So let's get started. So if I want to start my Loom app to begin my recording, swiping from the middle, typing in LOO to get my Loom app opened. And this time I want to record my screen because I'm going to record me speaking in over the top of a Notability. So I go screen and then here it takes you through it actually step by step. But if I do record screen, remember to touch your microphone on, otherwise you won't have any sound on it. So I hold my finger down on microphone and now it says on. So just double check that, record screen, microphone's on. So now what you'll get is a little countdown after you click this start broadcast. So start broadcast, here's my countdown. And everything now on my screen is recorded. And I know it's recorded because I can see this red icon up at the top here. So if I go to my Notability, and that's why it's handy to have your Notability opened up at the start, because then it makes that quick changeover. So everything here is being recorded as I move down through this, and I can go up to my pen, I can use the highlight tool, highlight certain things, I can use this tool and write in, and so on. So when I'm done then, what I do is I click this red icon again to stop the recording. So I tap it and I get this notification, stop the broadcast. So yes, stop. And now that's going to be saved in my library of videos. So I'm just double tapping here, this home button with my finger. So tap, tap, back to here, and I'm going to go back into my Loom. I'm going to go to my videos library, and there it is immediately ready to send out into my Google Classroom. So I click on the video. It's just getting ready to load here. That'll be through in a wee second. So I tap on this and there it is ready now, and I can scroll down. I'm going to rename this and I'm going to call this past paper, and you can put the date and so on. Do you see the way here it's still showing the start of my screen? That's because I was a wee bit slow in the switch over, but it doesn't really matter. You know, your videos don't have to be 100% perfect for your pupils. They're just happy to hear your voice. So then here's what I want. I want this video link. So I tap on that link, click copy link, and then I'm going to go to my Google Classroom. So I'm pulling down from the middle, Classroom, there it is. And then I have this class here opened, ready to go. I'll just go back to show you from the beginning. So this is my wee demo class. So I'm going to go to the classwork tab to put this on, all nicely organised under headings. Down here, plus. And this time I'm going to do an assignment because I want them to send me something back after they've watched this video to show that they've watched the video. So give it a title, teacher video. So yours will be more specific, obviously. And then here, add attachment, and it's insert link. Tap, paste that link that we copied. See it says Loom there. Click add. And here it is, so it's progressing across, and then tap assign. And you can even, remember, assign your videos to just some students. So say, for example, there's a particular pupil who didn't really understand something, you wanted to give them a quick demo of how to do it. You could do this, and what's really handy about it being a link, it means that you can then even paste the link into a private comment for a particular pupil. So that's now sent. There it is, teacher video. And if I go to here, instructions, you can see there's the video, and they tap that, and then it will play for them. And they don't even need the app or anything to watch this video. They'll just get a window like this online. They'll click play and see your video. So hope this helps. Let me know how you get on.